up, my peeps? So, today, I have 4 cats. We all know Dammy. Dammy the dumb cat. Yeah, this is his name. Dammy, you know why the name is Dammy. So if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out now or I will hold a gun to your neck. Good. Okay, you've done it. Good job. And this is Soba. The new one. Yeah, the new one. She's a junior right now because I upgraded her. And then we got Cat. I don't have a name for him yet. Don't worry, I'll think of a name. Don't worry. Sloopy. I'm just coming up with dumb names because I don't want to use my best names. Okay, after this, I'm gonna have a neon dog and neon cats. Cause you guys want to see why I'm gonna have a neon dog? Look at this baby. Look at him. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at this baby. Look at him. Twinkle. What is that? I've never made a neon before, so I'm not for sure what that is. Okay, we're going back to Soba. Soba, where are you? There we go. Here we go. Soba. And then I'm going to be naming this stupid idiot. Okay, let's see what I'm going to name him. Sandy. The stupid cat. Sandy, the stupid cat. Oh my god. That doesn't even work. Sally. Stupid. No, it still doesn't work. Dumb. I wanted to do stupid. Won't. Shut up. Okay. Let's see if that will work. Yes, it works! The reason I spelled shut up wrong is because it ain't gonna work if I, try. So that won't work, so we're gonna just... Also, guys, Phoenix is my favorite. Okay, don't tell anyone. Soba, you heard nothing. But, her name is Phoenix. She's full grown, can ride, can fly, and she has accessories, okay? She's awesome. We all know. She's amazing. And everyone loves her. Because she's the most amazing Phoenix in the world. The one who you could never see. Beautiful Phoenix! Beautiful. Oh, you saw nothing. Do do do, my precious Phoenix. Soba, what's happening? Soba? Oh! So we exploded? Oh god, help. Oh no, help. Okay guys, I think I broke the server. Okay, everyone, okay, no one's fine. In the chat, no one's fine. I glitched the entire server. I clicked 2 buttons and I exploded. Oh my god. So don't bring out your motorcycle as you're in the portal. Why? No. Help. Please. Do I really have to reset again? Okay. Well, I have to reset again. This is horrible. Why is this doing this to me? What did I ever do? Sally, get over here. I mean, Soba. Soba, what am I supposed to do? This is getting ridiculous. Okay, here. Why am I always thirsty? Why? Why am I always so damn thirsty? Just thirsty. I just always crave a drink for some reason. No, I'm going on my unicycle. Whee! 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 Ooh! Ooh! Hey guys, do you guys want to know a fun fact? If you go to Chick-fil-A and ask this word, can I have a soda frosty? In Chick-fil-A, they will give you. So you get to choose what soda you want to have as a frosty. So like it can be Coca-Cola, root beer, anything. Any drink they got, it can be frosty. Okay. So basically a frosty is what they put. So like if I was going to pick root beer as my what the cat and Puma. Snow cat is $20 and Puma's 25 cents. I could sure. Sure, yes. Sure. I'm not gonna accept it yet because then it's gonna give me a limited time. Okay, come. So she lives in a tree house. This is her first time throwing a party apparently. And yeah, so we're gonna not accept it just yet. Just a couple of moments. Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Shoot. Alright, let's do it. I'm cashing out right now. Got my money in the bank. Skirt, see, skirt, 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 daddy, skirt, 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 daddy, skirt, 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 skirt. It's time for school. No, it isn't time for school. It's time for parties. It's time for parties. Why is this guy so slow? You know, I'm not gonna ask. He's probably lagging. I don't know what's happening in the chat, but I don't know why. I don't want to know why. Skirt, 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 skirt. I don't even mind having an invisible wheel thingy. Skirt, skirt, skirt. We're skipping school. We're skipping the period. Skipping the period. Excuse me. In my house, we introduce our guest. Hello. Hi. Hi. What up, my dude? I need a mom. I will not be your mom. Your mama left you in the dark because she ain't loving you enough. Snowcat. Please. Snowcat, please. Skirtity skirt, 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 I'm out. Skirtity skirt, 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 skirt. Wait, one sec. Where's your cash register? I want to pay you, my dude. Skirt, 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 skirt. Okay. Okay. I don't know why, but okay. Okay. Coming. I just want a damn snowcat. It was good. It's good. It's cool. I want my thing. Can I have it now? So, but here's your food. This is all you get for the rest of the day. Very cool. Mission. Okay, let's go. Peace out. Soba, I gave you a pizza. Okay. Give you a goddamn pizza. Okay, $20, right? 20. Okay. 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 It's just $20, so if I get scammed, it's fine. Okay. Give me my damn kiss. Okay, now. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks, bruh. Thanks, bruh. Bye. Thanks. I'm going to name you Winner. You're going to be my next favorite. You look cuter than my other snowcat. Wait, where is my other snowcat? Oh, I have 2 snowcats. Okay. Wait a minute. Do you know what's sus? is that it shows 2 right here. Oh, it's because I haven't named them yet, right? Okay, so I'm gonna name you Winner. Winner. Okay, now let's go to my other camp. Keep camp. I'm going to name you. What am I gonna name you? Pink nose. Cupcake. Cupcake. Your name is Cupcake. You're a vanilla cupcake. Okay. Where's my soda? Soda! Good. Good gal. Okay, so. Ah! What was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, that was my trash can. Oops. Have you guys ever tried Propels? They're Gatorade, but they have 0 calories. Am I the only one that drinks that? Am I the only one that drinks that right now? Am I the only one that drinks Propel? Am I the only one that does that? It's cheap, okay? A container is like $5 or something. Or maybe like 4 or 3. Okay, you can't blame me, okay? They're cheap and they're delicious to drink. They taste like Gatorade. They taste like nothing but Gatorade. That's all they taste like. Just plain Gatorade, my dude. It's kind of it. I need to take my shower. Why am I always thirsty? Okay, I apparently need to fill this thing up. This is getting ridiculous. Okay. Grab tea. Okay. Gimme. Okay, my kitchen is an absolute mess right now. I have soda, a donut thingy, a pizza heater thingy, pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, donuts, plain donuts, raw donuts, pink frost, strawberry frosting, chocolate frosting and vanilla frosting, and then all these damn flags. There's some over here too. There's one over here too. Alright, we need to go to school because we skipped the period. Alright, let's go, boys. If you guys want to know how much money I have, well, you're going to be shocked. 1,097. That's it. Oh, we skipped school entirely. Okay, that's cool. That's good. Alright, that's good. If you guys want to earn some extra money, be a baby. Adopt me. By the way, my adopt me name is Ruby. Yeah. Even though I look nothing like a ruby and I look like a diamond. I mean, look at me. I have blue hair. Could you blame me? Wait, why did I go in the shower? Wait a minute. Okay. You go to sleep. Me go to sleep. Why am I sleeping in a dog bed? I have literally one master bed and 3 other beds for grown-ups. Why can't my baby self, you know, just go in there? Like, I could have a master bed all to myself. Right there. And just be happy. But no. Life has to turn me down. Hey guys, I have a question. If you guys don't answer this correctly, I will blow your brain out like Mad Sonic. Wait, hold on. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do to you. Hold up. Can you guys see it? If you can't, tell me. Okay. Sonic. Really? No one searched up Sonic? That's sad. Sonic.exe. I spelled it wrong. Ah! Here it is!